Good afternoon. My name is Tom. I come to you from the great state of Maine. I went and had coffee with Ron this morning, and he gave me a whole bunch of pies. And he told me to make sure to let Edmund know that Ron had made me some pies. So Edmund, this is for Ron. Now, I don't have a regular oven here. I do have a camp oven. One of those Coleman ones you can put on top of the stove. But I also have this Dutch oven. And I wanted to show how you could use it for an oven. All I need to do is warm these up. They're already cooked. It's a little pie that's made in a muffin tin by Ron and his wife. And these are chicken and pulled pork. So I got my sunglasses on because of this camera, so I can't tell from the letters what they are. Let's see, chicken, pork. So I know this is a chicken. I know that's a pork. Probably the camera can see better than me, but we're going to have a smorgasbord here tonight anyways. I'm going to have them 4 pies, and I'm going to make me some French fries once these have had a chance to warm up. So what I did, you saw in the beginning, I dropped in and put in it's my toaster. It's actually it's just a cover for a wood stove. But I dropped in my toaster in the bottom of this pan so it gives me a little bit of space between the bottom and the pies because you don't want to burn them. Then I lit it and it's just on a very low heat. So then I'm going to put my cover on. It's usually my cover from my French fries over there. And now I have created an oven. So we'll let that go. And I will check it. I'm going to put it on here for about 15 minutes. I'm going to check it in about 5 just to make sure nothing's burning. And while that's going on, I'm going to light my oven here and my French fry oil. And probably have me some French fries. Either ahead of time or at the same time. We'll see. Alrighty, I'll bring you back when it's time to eat these things. There you go, Debbie. You want to see a cooking video? Does this one count? There's my French fry maker. French fries, all made. Homemade, homemade, homemade. Now let's just see what's going on in here. Oh, steaming. Okay, new plan. My Dutch oven, because of the oils that are on it, and nothing really cooking in it other than trying to warm these up, was going to smoke from the oil that's in there, so I don't want that because I don't want to change the flavor of the pie. So I dragged out my fancy oven. Been cooking on this oven for 25 years. I guess it'll be good enough to warm up a pie. So we'll slide those in there and just let her go. And as soon as this is done, I'm going to throw them in because I am hungry. 7 o'clock at night. I'm kind of hungry. So we'll let the pies warm up. We'll get the French guys going. And everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. Firewood! Woohoo! Free firewood! I don't use a thermometer on the oil. I get my oil going. I drop in the fry. When it looks like that, then we come over and we drop in the rest. Usually I'll put the fry in ahead of time, but I was playing with those pies. Well, that's the one I want right there. Don't get it too seal, boils up. So you don't have a whole lot of oil in there. And then you got to be careful that it doesn't boil over with the flame under it, because it will catch fire. Right now, I'm going to have an appetizer. I'm going to have some French fries. And then when them pies are warm through, then I'll be having pies. And there you go. Let the fries go until they're crisp. Throw some ketchup on there, a little salt and pepper, and we're good to go. Pies are up. Hot. Hot pie. Hot pie. Whoa. Hot pie, Edmund, get over here. More work there. We just won't look out that side. We'll look over here. We won't look at that. That just means work. Oh, we don't want to look at that. That means more work. We want to look here. Nice, good firewood. Little more firewood. Here's where we want to look. This is where we've already done the work. Well, we still got another tree to clean up. I'll take care of that tomorrow. For right now, we won't look over there. We'll look over here. Don't look over there. Oh, you looked over there. got some serious weed whacking to do around here. I told you I've been busy. Haven't had time to deal with the lawn. What lawn there is. Left over. Been raining all day. It would be a lot easier if the grass wasn't wet. Like that. Time to put the rhubarb to bed. I'm gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna. You guys have a coffee. That camera's getting ready to die. So I'm gonna look, see what's on it for time, and if there's enough to make a video, then we're done with this one. We're done with this one. Anyway, you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you next week.